Your CFO changes the definition of active customer. Now you've got to update it in 47 different dashboards manually. I'm Pearl, and I'm going to show you a better way to define it once and update everywhere automatically using Databricks metric views. This polished dashboard surfaces trends like hiring and current workforce demographics with curated business-ready visualizations. But dashboards here aren't static. By clicking into a visualization, I can see the data set behind it, ensuring transparency into the underlying data set. From here, I can add more tables directly from Unity Catalog or use SQL to join additional data sets. That flexibility empowers analysts without breaking governance. This dataset already has custom calculations that can allow me to slice by dimensions like gender by department and define a percentage metric like fill rate without having to modify my queries. Here's the best part. These calculations do not have to stay in this dashboard. For metrics that must be standardized enterprise-wide, I can export them to a metric view. This makes definitions I create locally in this dashboard reusable, trusted assets in the catalog. That metric view can then be included directly in the dashboard, aligning every visualization to consistent definitions. I can even update an existing visualization to leverage the metric view dataset, ensuring that as definitions evolve centrally, the dashboard remains aligned without rework. Now that I've added this metric view, I want to confirm that it's actually registered in Unity Catalog for broader organizational use. This isn't simple keyword search. The catalog understands relationships across asset types, tables, views, models, dashboards, and more. Everything is semantically linked and searchable by owner, location, or business context. I'll search for the metric view I just created, and here it is, registered in Unity Catalog alongside all other governed assets. Because it's in Unity Catalog, this metric is reusable across the enterprise. Whether someone queries through Genie, AI BI dashboard, or a third-party BI tool, they get the same, consistent, trusted definition. From here, I can also manage entitlements on this metric view. I can give analysts read access and grant admins full control. And then I can also see lineage again. This combines accessibility with governance. So one definition, infinite uses. Whether your team is building dashboards, querying with SQL, or asking Genie questions, they're all using the same certified metrics from Unity Catalog. No more conflicting numbers, just consistent, governed insights across the business.